fosters semiconductors. And the winner is AP&S International, Cleansurf. The innovative Cleansurf cleaner ensures the targeted cleanliness. High throughput, optimum cleaning performance, maximum flexibility in use, and attractive operating costs are claimed to be the advantages of the new tool, designed for both manual and automatic loading. Newly developed components contribute to the efficient cleaning performance and to shorter process times. An innovative nozzle concept with more than 50 controllable nozzles, the compact footprint, and the new carousel design all add to a low cost of ownership. In total, this equipment offers a bunch of interesting, convincing, and required features for future technology nodes.
I'm very proud and happy to represent AP&S as the winner of the Innovation Award. Particles of various origins are the cause of year-producing defects and must be avoided throughout the entire semiconductor manufacturing process. This includes transport enclosures such as called FOUP and SMIF. The AP&S Cleansurf cleaner is a piece of the puzzle in the semiconductor production chain and helps our customers to achieve their increasing yield requirements. The Cleansurf concept combines compact footprint, high loading capacity, and manual as well as fully automated loading.